Hey there, it's Stacy Schroeder, Regional Director for the Institute for Management Studies. If you haven't checked out your IMS Quick Coach lately, this is my advice to check it out. We've got some great new features that I want to show you real quick. So if you log into your control center, you'll see a button that's called L2 or IMS Quick Coach. So you'll click on that and it'll bring you to the home page for the Leverage Learning or IMS Quick Coach. We've got a couple names for it. So let me get us logged in here. And this will take you to the home page. And if you haven't been in a while, the look and feel is much more streamlined and clear. So we've got a few videos up front that explain some of the benefits and features and how to use Quick Coach. And then we've got a selection of 3 rotating topics. So right now it's self-care, communication, and negotiation that popped up. What I want to show you in the browse, we've got a couple features that maybe you're not aware of. The first is you can sort by recently added lessons. So the past 30, 60, or 90 days. We just did a big recording session with Dr. Alan Robinson, who has a lot of great experience in the government sector. So if that's relevant to you, I encourage you to check those out and share with your team. If we also go back to browse, the collections has been around, but again, I like to point it out because it's really useful. These are curated knowledge maps that relate to a particular topic. So for instance, if I click on transitioning to management, it'll pull up a set of related resources, all from this one thought leader around this topic. So you can click in here, and again, you can share just like usual. And the last piece I want to show you in the browse is going to be this coaches and topics. Oops, let me do that again. So we've got coaches and topics. So this shows some fancy pictures of the different thought leaders, and you can pick which topic you're most interested in. So for instance, if we go to coaching and mentoring, we're going to get all these folks, and then you can dig into whichever one you're most interested in. So it's more visually appealing. It's a different way to navigate. I encourage you guys to log into your IMS Quick Coach and check it out. And as always, if you have any questions about a particular aspect of it or want sort of a one-on-one tutorial, I'm happy to do so at any time. Take advantage of those benefits. Take care.